Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to create a simple table in Figma. If you've ever tried to build a table from scratch, you know it can get a bit tedious, but with this method you'll have a professional-looking table ready in just a few clicks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to add a table to your design, but you'll also be able to customize it to perfectly fit your needs. Alright, let's get started. When you first open Figma, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Now sure, you could start drawing rectangles and aligning them, but there's a much faster way. Figma actually comes with templates that can save you a ton of time, and we're going to take advantage of that. So from the dashboard, look towards the left-hand menu and find the Templates option. Click on that. This is where you'll find all kinds of preset designs you can use as starting points. In the search bar at the top right, type Table. You'll probably see several design options pop up, depending on what's popular or available in your version. Don't feel overwhelmed if there are a bunch to choose from. Just scroll through and pick the table style that best matches what you're aiming for. Maybe you want something minimal and clean, or maybe you need more columns for complex data. The choice is yours. Click on the one you like and Figma will open up that template in a new file. Now here's a little trick. Inside the design, go ahead and find the table element itself. Sometimes templates come filled with extra content, so just locate the part of the page that actually has the table you want. Then right-click on the table and choose Copy. This is basically like taking a snapshot of that table design, ready to bring over to your own project. Now let's head back to your working design file or the project you're actually working on. It's as easy as switching tabs in Figma. Once you're back in your own space, right-click anywhere on your canvas and choose Paste. You'll see your table appear just like magic. It might land wherever your mouse was, so don't worry, you can just drag it to the exact spot you want. And here, where the real fun begins. The great thing about Figma's templates is that once you've pasted the table into your own design, you can customize it however you like. Want to add more rows or columns? Just duplicate and adjust the cells as needed. Maybe you need to change colors, tweak fonts, or update the headings to fit your project. Go for it. It's all totally editable, so you're not stuck with whatever the template had. Take a moment here to play around and make the table your own. Don't worry if you make a mistake, you can always undo any changes with a quick Ctrl+Z. And that's really all there is to it. You've ended up with a professional-looking table in a fraction of the time it would take to build from scratch. This method is not only fast, but keeps everything consistent and neat. It's like having a shortcut in your design toolkit. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions about tables in Figma or design in general, just drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.